everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Nanika. Today we will be studying about a very interesting topic, that is notice writing. Notice writing is a part of writing composition for the students of, especially for the students of 11th and 12th. So let's see what is notice writing and how we write the notice. Before moving, I would like you all to request to do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get connected with all the updates. First of all, let us know that what the notice writing is. Notice writing is how do we communicate to another. One-to-one communication you can say, or one-to-many communication you can say, or one-to-many for a period of time. Obviously, notices are the thing that gives information to anyone or to many, that is for a particular period of time. So let's see the next thing what the notice writing is actually about. Notice writing. What is notice? It is a formal means of communication. And what is the purpose of it? To announce anything, to display information to the specific group of people, to be pinned up on specific display boards in school, public places, newspapers. Obviously, in your schools, you have seen notice boards. In that, the thing which has been posted is simply known as notice writing. Some important content that we have to put in our mind while writing the notice. The first thing is name of the organization issuing the notice. The second things come the title, notice itself. Third thing is catchy heading to introduce the subject. Fourth is the date of the notice. Fifth is body of the notice, and the last comes is writer's sign name. It should be in capital letter and with designation. This is the format of writing a notice. First thing will be name of the organization, then date, notice, heading, body and the signature, name and designation. Points to remember. 5 W's of notice writing. First, what is going to happen? Actually, about the event you have to mention there. Where it will take place. The venue where the event is going to take place. When it will take place, the date and time should be particularly mentioned. Who can benefit from the information, whom to contact. These are the 5 W's of notice writing. Notice writing should always be in passive voice, the first thing to keep in mind. Second thing is it is always presented within a box. Third thing is word limit should not exceed more than 40 to 50 words, and that 40 to 50 words are only counted of the body. It will not be counted of the heading or date or something else. The body which you have written, that only it will be counted. The fourth will be information given must be clear. Next is should not cause any misunderstanding or confusion. Catchy, appealing, attract attention at once. It should be in bold letters, catchy slogans, striking words and phrases. No personal pronouns, short but grammatically accurate sentences. These are the most commonly and the informative thing that you have to keep in mind while writing the notice. Here I have told you about the marking scheme that you get when you write the notice in your examination, to keep it in mind. For you all, I have made a sample question. In the next slide, you will get the solution of this. So keep it in mind all the things which I have told you in the explanation part. Thank you for watching it till end. Please like, share and subscribe.